Hello viewers. In this lecture, we are going to discuss the freedom of trade and commerce in the federal nations like USA, Canada and Australia. We have already seen in detail about the freedom of trade, commerce and intercourse as provided in Part 13 of the Constitution of India between Articles 301 to Article 307. Today we shall begin with the freedom of trade as provided in the other federal countries. We all know that it is a problem of the federal structure that we have to safeguard the local interests along with the interest of the nation as a whole. For the strength of the nation, it is necessary that some kind of control over the states should be kept. At the same time, the geographical divisions, the local interests of the people must be taken into consideration, and the guarantee should be given to the citizens to freedom of trade, to freedom of movement, to reside and settle in the different parts of the country. And there is a requirement of preserving the regional autonomy also. So there has to be an adequate balance between the regional autonomy and the national interests. So keeping all those things in mind, the Part 13 of the Constitution had provisions for trade, commerce and intercourse. There are other constitutions also which in one or other way try to deal with these kinds of situations. For example, if we look at the Constitution of USA, there is no express provision in the Constitution of USA for guaranteeing the freedom of trade and commerce or with regard to the interstate trade or the intrastate trade. But the freedom of the interstate commerce is derived by way of the interpretation of the Article 1, Section 8, Section 8, Clause 3 of the Constitution, which gives the power to the Congress to regulate the commerce among several states. So this has been interpreted from a particular provision. It is not expressly provided, unlike Constitution of India. So this is by way of judicial interpretation.